Hi everyone, this is AfreenAli. I brought the video for a firefighting zone control valve, or you say floor control valve assembly. So first you have to subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe, and you have any comments or anything, so ask me in the comments. I will explain the everything. So basically, if in firefighting layouts, in sprinkler layout especially, we using a zone control valve or control valve assembly. So what is the function for this zone control valve? I will be explain first. This is a main pipe for firefighting, so we have to divide in floor. When we go into the floor, so we have to provide a zone control valve. So what is the function for zone control? Basically, when we have a huge project or we have more than thousands sprinklers, so we have to make the zone in firefighting. I will explain to them as well in firefighting drawings what is the zone control, how the work there. So just I'm telling the summing of the zone control valve. So we cannot be I mentioned that we cannot be keep all sprinklers in one pipe like that, so we make the zones. For example, we have thousands of the sprinklers, so we make 2 and 3, 700 sprinklers up to 1000 we can make the sprinkler in the zone control. Or we have a high-rise building, 50 story, 64 story, or 20 story, or 11 story, or 10 story. In each floor we have to provide a zone control. We have to control the everything. We have to close the gate valve, and we check the status of the firefighting. We have to provide a OSE valve and many things. So this is a function of zone control valve. Basically, we have to isolate the area. For example, we have 1000 of sprinklers, so we make to the 700 sprinkler to each zone, up to 1000 sprinkler we making, or by the area as the designs. So let I explain to the zone control valve. What is this? This is a main pipe of zone control, main pipe or riser, you say this one. So this is dia more than 10 inch or like that, so 110 or 200 mm. So we provide here, we have to provide flange type fittings. See, this is flange type. Flange type sided fitting we will be not keep after 2 inch. So this is flange type fitting. See, this is bolted, and we have to keep the rubber inside here, rubber inside here. After that, they're going to the zone. For example, this is a high-rise building, so it is going to the 6th floor up to the 8th floor. So each floor we have to make the zone. So this going to the floor, for example, so this is we have to provide to the union with the flange, because this is a huge dia. So we have to provide flange types. So after that, we provide a gate valve of the supervisory switch with this one gate valve. Or you say this is OS and Y valve. You say this is gate valve type of the OS and Y valve. So OS and Y valve, you can see by the visual we understand it. OS and Y valve is open or close. So that's why we're using in firefighting gate valve as a OS and Y valve. Okay. After that, we put the pressure gauge, how much the pressure is coming. We have to maintain the pressure here from the gate valve. So this is water flow switch, fire alarm system. To building, this is water flow switch will be connected with the BMS building management system, will be controlled by the BMS. So this is a feeding main fitting is going here. So this is going to the room, or the floor, and all the sprinkler will be installed to here. So before the installer, we have to provide this small wall package like that. So you can see here, this is this is a luxury drain valve. If you want to drain the water, we have to close here, and we have to drain all water. It will be little bit you say this is, it will be little bit the slope. So here is coming slope here. In case of any water we have to remove a leakage problem, so we have to remove the water from here. So this is a drain valve installed here, and this is inspection test valve. We have to get the inspection from here. So how the water, or what is the HP level of the pH level of the water. We can check here. So whatever the pH level we need, we have to check with the laboratory test. So we'll detail about it as for this. So we can see here in class, this is side class, we can see water from the class as well by visual, and this is going to the union, and this is going to the here. This is small pipe, this is threaded, say like that. This is threaded, this is threaded as well. So this is a huge dia, maybe the more than 2 inches, so more than 2 inches we're using a flange type. See, this one is, so this will be go to the nearest drain, nearest drain or sink. We have to provide to the floor drain on the floor nearest, and we have to provide the pipe. So this water will be drained to the drain floor, because in floor it will be must be we have to provide the floor drain. So by the slope it will be drained here, because provide a slope, little bit slopes only, so water will be not retain the pipes as functions. So hope you enjoy this video, you understand it, what is the firefighting zone control valve and floor control valve assembly. I will repeat the functions of zone control valve. Basically, zone control valve controlling to the zone. So zone contain more than 700 or 500 sprinklers each floor. If we have a parking area in huge area, so we have to get the area by the zone, 1 zone, 2 zone, 3 zone. So for maintenance purpose, for drain purpose, and many things we have to do in engineering. So easily we can drain, we can test the water and everything. So we have to provide the zone. Okay, and I mentioned earlier, there is as well we using for high-rise buildings, even the 4 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, each provide to the zone. So each floor have a own control valve. So we could saying to the zone control valve. Hope you enjoy this video, or you have enjoyed this video and you learn it many things. If you have any comments, let me know and I will explain to you. So this is coming from a firefighting pump room. This pipe is coming, and this is going to the every zone, floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, floor 5. Hope you enjoy this video, and you have a comment, tell me, I will be mention whatever your questions. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channels. This is AfreenAli. Thank you, bye bye.